And welcome to another update video on XRP. Well, what a day. Yesterday, XRP has broken to new highs, and we are now consolidating at the moment above the previous swing high here from the 15th of January, 15th, 16th of January. Price has done what it needed to do so far. I mean, we are in the yellow scenario. We remain in the yellow count. We're currently working our way higher, and we have not reached my targets yet, so still grinding higher. That's the idea. Please note, we are likely in a third wave to the upside, and this can still extend higher. The first ideal target, as per previous updates, just for this third wave, is $3.84. So someone told me yesterday I need to be more bullish, but please note that all words are chosen very, very carefully here, right? You need to listen to the videos properly. So when I say first ideal target, then this is not a maximum, right? This is like the next milestone target. You see all the other levels there on the chart. The third wave on the XRP chart is known to extend. I mean, we've done that here, pretty nicely. And the price is now in an area where we are probably getting to the sort of mid to late stages of this third wave there, but we can still extend higher. It's still possible for the market to extend higher in this third wave. So ideally, while it fulfilled really minimum expectations, it hasn't reached an ideal target yet. But we came very, very close yesterday. I mean, we arrived, we came to around 367, and 384 was that first ideal target. But ideally, we go a little higher, right? I'm tracking that as a 1-2 setup. So that's how we measure that. We take the length of the wave 1 with our Fibonacci extension tool, and then we go to the low of the wave 2, and then we can project out targets for the third wave to the upside, and I already shared with you what those are. Now, above $3.84, the $4.33 level will be the next one to watch, and I would pretty much expect the price to actually get there. Yeah, the 161.8 extension for XRP is not anything unheard of. And then above that level, we've got $4.72, and then we're already in that area around $5 that we wanted to focus on as a higher level target. But then if we only arrive there in 3 waves, then there should still anyway be another 4-5 pattern, so it might extend higher. That's why in recent videos I also asked the question, could we even get to $10? And I said, yeah, of course, that's possible. But let's first see if we can get to around about $5. I think most people would be happy with that, and then we'll see where we are. And of course, upside extensions are possible, but that will always depend on the microstructures. So if I saw already exhaustion or anything, then I would say, it'll be difficult. But for now, I don't see exhaustion. It's doing precisely what the roadmap suggested. Now, let us take a look at the smaller time frame for XRP. Smaller time frame wise, I mean, this shows you here. Got to move everything across a little bit here, but this is just a smaller time frame. So the focus here on the smaller time frame chart is more like, just again, as I said, just on the shorter time frame, smaller movements. And you see here that we're currently moving up, and we are just consolidating above this previous swing high. If I move to the left here a little bit, then you see this green line is positioned at around $3.40, where the January high is located. And that was our target after breaking out of our corrective price channel, which I've removed from the chart here now, but we had a breakout from a channel. Price rallied then to 340. That's where we wanted it to be. And after a breakout above such a line, it would be really, really helpful now if XRP could actually stay above that line, or at least avoid a decisive break below it. That would indicate some strength in the short term. So getting too much below that line again indicates some short-term weakness, but maybe we can hold above it and push a little higher. I've added some more micro resistances to the chart, just as levels to watch. The price reached here the 200% extension of the A wave. That's already quite extended for a C wave, but again, in an area of in a time of euphoria, that's fine. 374, 381 are the next micro resistances, and you see that 381, 382 here kind of overlaps, nearly overlaps with that 384 level, which is the line here slightly above. What I've added here is just a micro support area, which can provide additional support together with that previous breakout line. So this area is between $3.20 and $3.43. So as long as we're holding above that line, or above that zone rather, $3.20, the price could extend higher more directly. and just give us another high in circle wave 3. Only if we get a break below $3.20, I would say, it is quite probable that we might see a pullback, a little bit of a deeper pullback, and possibly a test of this zone between $2.57 and $3.20. So it's just a larger support. It just means that we can expect higher upside extensions directly, maybe even to 384, as long as we're holding 320. That could indicate we're still moving up in circle wave 3. But once we get a break below $3.20, it becomes more probable that we're actually already in circle wave 4. So yeah, that's what we watch out for today. But without a break below $3.20, there is no sign that even a local top has formed. So we'll pay attention today. We'll pay attention to how well the price can consolidate above the previous breakout line. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us over there on X. We're building another community or channel here, so you can check it out. Every day, more than 100 people are joining us here, so check it out. Yeah, feel free to join us, of course, for free, and you get additional updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.